Alright, we're working on that piece next. And yep, I got her pretty close here. You know, we're just going to trim this all off once we weld it on. And then I got to figure out how I'm going to bend this around the corner, because it's supposed to go inside there too. So somewhere or other I got to make a round bend right there. Let me see if I can show you what it's like I got to do on the inside though. That's not even the issue part. Issue part is I got to take and bring that piece there and weld it to that inside piece, but you can't see. Let me get that light. That should help a little bit. So the green piece needs to be attached to this piece down here, which is close. Now somewhere or other I gotta get a marker in there. I mean, that corner is perfect. This corner is not, and if I cut it too short, then she's not gonna weld up to that piece there. Which I don't even know how I can pull it up to that. You know what I'm saying? I need to pull, see if I can pull it up closer. Closer, closer, closer. Huh? Yeah, so this kind of fit I got happened there. If you can catch back in there. Huh? Looks like it's pretty good. I mean, you know, I can get a little heat on it. I can get her, this guy right here, or right over there. As soon as I bring that, some pliers on that, bring that back. Here's my corner. Here's my corner. Here's my corner. And here, if you really need to see behind that, I can show you behind that. Show you how I saved that corner. But then from there, then I'm going to have this piece coming from here, right around here, and then up. So I think that's pretty good. I was going to trim that off better here, right off there, right there. I was going to trim that back and do the old slideroo. The old slideroo to a deal, but I don't know about that. I'm thinking it's going to be too thin, and it's going to look, it is going to be not good. This I can grind all off right here along there. So let me trim this up a bit more so we can get a custom fit here. You know what I'm saying? Get it on. It's all globby and everything. Maybe I need to turn the gas up or something. It's acting weird. But down here I understand now. I'm getting this stuff. This is galvanized here, so it's gonna act totally different. Well, the non-galvanized. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Good. More than enough gas. Probably too much gas, so I turn it down. Let me grind this down a little bit. Huh? Okay, so there you go. There you go. It's close. We're close to perfection. Not really perfection though. So yeah. Sweet tea today. Somewhere or other I gotta bring this piece down more. And maybe I shouldn't have welded that end piece first. If you know what I mean. And then I shouldn't have welded this piece here until I got that other piece down. Because now I'm going to double weld, right? Weld it and then grind it off. But that's just a regular grinding disc. I like using flappers because the flappers seem to work. They seem to do a smoother job. If you know what I'm talking about. Huh? Let's see.
And I get to select my own doctors. Skyhook.
So this is one of the things I'd like to learn how to get rid of. I have to put, you know, like, well, why are you putting this rod on there and adding it to it? You're giving yourself more metal. Well, if you watch when I'm doing it, this here is just, I don't know what happened there. There's always some excuse. This is galvanized. So if you see all that white powder, it's because this bottom is galvanized. But to keep it from burning out, I have to add this rod. Well, if you just do the dime tack thing, yeah, okay. Those guys that do the dime tap thing must be a better, you know, skilled welder than, and you know what I'm saying? They're self-taught too. Because I can't see how I can not do that. I mean, it keeps piling up, or it blows out. So I have to add the metal and grind it off. I mean, how else do you do that? I mean, I don't see another way. You know what I'm saying? Of course, it doesn't help to film it. And weld at the same time. You know, that's what happens. All right, so I've cut this one. Had it laying here. Thought I started this one, and I don't even see where they went. Anybody see them here? Huh? Thought I was trying to figure out how to bend these curves on it the other day, but then I don't know, I'm not seeing them.